What's up guys, Ritzel here for the Scooter Life and DIY YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix your electric hub motor if it's on reverse rotation. This applies to electric scooter and electric bikes. So right now I'm viewing the wheel on the right side. So the rotation should be clockwise and not counterclockwise. So in this case right now, the wheel is turning counterclockwise. It's the opposite. So the trick is very easy. We'll have to switch two wires on the Hall sensor and two wires on the pace wires. So it's gonna be green to blue and blue to green for the pace wires. And for the Hall sensor wire, it's gonna be yellow to blue and blue to yellow. So without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and disconnect the positive line coming from the battery. So once again, we're switching the wires, green to blue or blue to green. It all depends on you which one you want to go first, because you can't go wrong with that. So now I'm done switching the pace wires from green to blue, blue to green. I'm gonna go ahead and disconnect the SM connector from the Hall sensor wires. I'll be using a little tiny flat screwdriver to push the pins out. For me, I like to push the blue pin out first. Well, it depends on you, whichever you want. You can push the yellow wire pin first or the blue one. It's all up to you. Before it was the blue wire next to the green wire, but this time it's gonna be the yellow wire next to the green wire or beside the green wire, and the blue wire will be right beside the red wire. And now I'm gonna connect back the SM connector for the Hall sensor wires and see if I did it right. But before that, I'm gonna connect the positive wire coming from the controller to the battery so that we'll have power. So there you have it guys, the wheel is in the right direction right now. If you're new to this channel, please consider subscribe. Thank you.